हाय गाइस, आज हम देखेंगे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल के टॉप एमसीक्यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एक्सेल्स डिस्प्ले द करंट सेल्स एड्रेस इन द डैश डैश। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, नेम बॉक्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which language is used to create macro in ms excel? Right answer is options A, visual basics 4. Next question, which of the following is not a terms of MS Excel? Right answer is options D, document. Next question, which key do you press to check spelling? Right answer is option C, F7. Next question, the first cell in MS Excel worksheet is labeled as. Right answer is options B, A1. Next question, in help menu of MS Excel, which of the following tabs are found? Right answer is options D, all of these. Next question, a dash dash is a grid with labeled columns and rows. Right answer is options B, worksheet. Next question, the cancels and enters buttons appears in the. Right answer is options B, formula bar. Next question, in order to perform a calculations in a spreadsheet, you need to use a. Right answer is options B, formula. Next question, how do you tell one cell from another? Right answer is option C, by its address. Next question, which is an example of a formula? Right answer is options A part. Next question, which is an example of a function? Right answer is option C part. Next question, what is the symbols for dividing? Right answer is options A part. Next question, what is the symbols for multiplication? Right answer is options D, asterisk. Next question, all formula in MS Excel start with. Right answer is option C, equal. Next question, the divide symbols is. Right answer is options A part. Next question, to add two cells A1 and A2 together, you use the following formula. Right answer is options A part. Next question, the intersections of a row and columns is called dash dash. Right answer is options A, a cell. Next question, there are three types of data found in a spreadsheet. Right answer is options D, numbers, formula, label. Next question, which of the following special functions key allow the contents in cell? Right answer is options C, return. Next question, a constant is another names for these types of data. Right answer is options A, number. Next question, which of the following display the contents of the active cell? Right answer is options B, formula bar. Next question. All macro keyboard shortcuts includes the dash dash key. Right answer is options A, Alt. Next question. To open the format cells dialog box. Right answer is options B, Control +1. Next question. You can add a hyperlinks to your worksheets by pressing. Right answer is option C, Alt +K.